Hi students, this is the seventh seventh session completed. This is the eighth session. In this session, let us work out the problems on the preparation of income statement and balance sheet, which contains different adjustments where the students are able to understand the financial position with profitability uh, to evaluate according to the Companies Act. Let's go for the illustration. See that show the following items in the balance sheet of Amba Limited as per revised schedule 6 as on March 31st, 2013. Given 8% debentures, equity share capital, securities premium, preliminary expenses, statement of profit and loss, discount on issue of 8% debentures, which is amount to be written off in next 4 years, loose tools, bank balance, and cash in hand. These are the items which is given in the balance sheet. Uh, while while solving, while preparation of balance sheet, which are the things comes under different notes, you have to understand. First and foremost, look at here. For the share capital, no need of any note. 50 lakh is there, you can enter directly 50 lakh, no need of note number. Reserves and surplus, there is an adjustment of preliminary expenses and securities premium, the statement of profit and loss. Hence you have to prepare the note. See, while understanding reserves and surplus, premium is there, premium 20,000. So preliminary expenses can be written off. Discount on issue of debentures is there. That also can be amount to be written off next 4 years mentioned particularly. Hence preliminary expenses to be deducted remaining 20,000 only. Out of 20,000, statement of profit loss 1,50,000 there. Out of 1,50,000, 20,000 deducted means 1,30,000. That is the reserves and surplus. Note number 1. When it comes to note number 2, see the debentures are there, 10 lakh rupees. 8% debentures, 10 lakh rupees worth. And discount on issue of 8% debentures, that has to be written off continuously for 4 years. Hence long term borrowings directly taken 10 lakh. While inventory, see the inventory, how the things happened about loose tools, bank balance, and cash in hand is there. Other non-current assets mentioned particularly, other non-current assets, particularly the loose tools 20,000, bank balance 60,000, for paying off return off of uh, the 8% debentures, discount on issue of 8% debentures out of the bank balance and to be taken into account. Cash balance 38,000 is there. Out of this 38,000, whatever the balances of uh, inventories 20,000 and the other non-current assets 20,000. So the total will become around some changes happened here. Due to the changes, this this is the way of preparation of schedule. Note number once for all, if the liabilities are particularly mentioned while written off of discount on issue of 8% debentures, preliminary expenses, statement of profit and loss, All these to be taken into account. Irrespective of the problem, while going to solve all the note numbers to be recorded. Here, reserves and surplus note is there, long-term borrowings, other non-current assets, inventory, cash and cash equivalent, which is bank balance and cash in hand, both to be taken into account. That is 98,000. If not, discount on issue of debentures 8%. 8% debentures means out of the proceeds, as and when required, it is to be taken into account as uh, 10,000. 10,000, which is based on 10 lakh rupees worth, up to the extent of uh, 30,000 reduced, in the sense only out of 4 years, 4 years particularly mentioned amount to be written off in the next 4 years approximately. Hence, discount on issue of 8% debentures of rupees 40,000 will be reduced to the extent of 10,000. In case of other non-current assets, we have taken 30,000. So, other non-current assets 30,000, inventories or loose tools 20,000, bank balance 98,000, and discount on issue of shares 10,000. This is the way of recording the transactions. Here some amount changes are there that has to be changed consequently. The answer will appear. While understanding multiple choice questions in this session, see, the closing stock is recorded in whether it is profit and loss account, trading account and balance sheet only, or none of these. Whichever is feasible and suitable, you have to show as a multiple choice question. So you can refer all these things. Thank you. In the next class, let us discuss work out the problems.